Today we'll be testing on a Yamaha YXZ. These are some of the items you will need during the installation. Get a thin screwdriver and remove the steering wheel cap. This will expose the nut that holds the steering wheel in place. Get your 17mm socket and remove that nut. Make sure that your steering wheel is straight before replacing it. Get your steering wheel puller if you have one available and remove the wheel safely. If you do not have a puller available, you may still remove the wheel safely. Unbolt the nut until you allow 2 cm of space in between the nut and the wheel. You will then want to wiggle the wheel until it becomes loose. Make sure you're also pulling outwards. Now remove the nut. You will always want to make sure that the index is facing upwards. This will place the NRG logo at the very top.
So one of the main advantages of our hub adapter is going to be the dust shield. The fact that it protects the bearings on the inside of the hub adapter once it's installed.
This is our 8 wireless multifunction button steering wheel. Our prototype is designed using a carbon fiber body, giving it a sleek look and light feel. Our wheel is designed to have the perfect reach so you're able to use your paddle shifters with ease.